मनोहरति तुः मम परमारतान। मनोहरति तुः मम परमरतान।
मधुरमूर्ति मनोहरति तुः मम परमरतान। आजत वंशे पंचमरागे तव गुणकर तव यान।
अपरूपमूर्ति ऐक्षण तोहरी, अपरूपमूर्ति ऐक्षण तोहरी, सुरधुनि मनस बिहारी।
पुलकित
हृदय दर्श परश लागी, तनु मन सकल विभोर।
मधुरमूर्ति मनोहरति तुः मम परमरतान।
अमृत सुरभि तब दिवस रजनी, घेरिलत मन प्राण। की रूप तोहर अनुपम बदन, दिवा भाषे करि वर्णना।
अमृत सुरभि तव दिवस रजनी, घेरिलेत हिय मन प्राण। की रूप तव देव पशुपति शंकर, किवा भाषे करे वर्णना।
मधुर मूर्ति मनोहरति तुः मम परमारतान।
पार्वती पति शंकर पशुपति, महादेव तुः कर त्राण। तुः मम प्राण तुः मम मरण, तुः पदे सपनु जीवन।
तुः मम प्राण तुः मम मरण, तुः पदे सोपनो जीवन।
A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others. A very warm welcome to everyone. September 5th is a very special day for all the teachers around the country. Thus, we the Carmels are here to celebrate this day and make it special for our wonderful teachers. We wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day from the bottom of our hearts. Our teachers are the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive. You all are the building blocks of our lives. As students, whenever we have been through tough times, you have helped us solve our problems and face all situations with courage. Your love, patience, and care has helped us grow into wonderful human beings. Thus, today, we take this opportunity to thank you for everything you've done for us, to let you all know how much we love you and care for you all. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Every year, we celebrate this day in school for our dear teachers, but as we couldn't celebrate it in school, we have tried our best to put up this short program for our wonderful teachers. We hope you enjoy it. We start our program with a short prayer service.
Today's Bible passage has been taken from Matthew chapter 7 verses 17 to 20. Every healthy tree bears good fruit, but diseased tree bears bad fruit. A healthy tree does not bear bad fruit, and diseased tree does not bear good fruit. Every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into fire. Thus, you will recognize them by their fruits.
Reflection of the Holy Bible. Every person is judged by the deeds they do. If a person is good, their deeds will also be good. Thus our character is judged and we are known by the actions we take in every circumstance of our daily lives. Similarly, as told in the Bible passage, our teachers can be represented by the plants who always bear good fruits like us, the students. They nurture us every day in the right way to make us what we are meant to be. Thus, we are what we are today is only because of the teachers who made us like this.
Dear Lord, today we would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to get to know and learn from our wonderful teachers. We ask you to keep them safe and happy. May they be able to overcome all the problems they face in life. Grant them the resolve to nurture our eager minds and never to give up on the ones who fall behind. O Lord, let your love be the guiding principle that informs and upholds their minds. Bless us, dear Father, so that we learn from them and become good human beings when we grow up. We make this humble prayer at thy holy name. Amen.
Up next is a short dance depicting a wonderful theme.
তোমার ইচ্ছে ঘর দোর সব চুলোয় দিতে পারি, তোমার ইচ্ছে রাত্রিকে জাগিয়ে দিতে পারি, তোমার ইচ্ছে তাসের বেশের গোলাম হতে পারি, রাজা উজির ধরে সবার মুন্ড নিতে পারি। এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য হজাবারালা, এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য জোরালো বহ, এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য হজাবারালা, এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য জোরালো বহ, এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য আকাশ কুসুম, এক ছুট্টি তোমার জন্য হলে আমার ঘুম। তবে কাল দেখা হবে যদি ঘুমিয়ে না পড়ি, কাল দেখা হবে যদি ঘুমিয়ে না পড়ি, কাল দেখা হবে যদি বৃষ্টি না পড়ে, কাল দেখা হবে ঠাকুর যদি চান, কাল দেখা হবে আবার ঘুমিয়ে না পড়ি।
insight, acting is just a business. With wonder and insight, it is creation. Acting defines work of art and talent. Now, we all have clues what is next. Up next is a skit.
What is all this noise about? Is this a fish market or a classroom?
Why are the bits of paper lying in the classroom? Do you litter your house like this? Then why are you littering my classroom?
The heart of vertebrate contains auricle, ventricles, etc. The study of vertebrate hearts show. You, get up, up, get out of my class. Just go out. Just leave right now.
Don't try to act smart in my class. You better answer what I've asked you, or you can leave my classroom. No, leave my classroom right now.
Open to page number 47. Is that the way you sit in a classroom? You ill-mannered girl? Do you think this is a living room? You do not sit like that in my classroom. Get out of my class right now. Leave.
Yes, you. In the second classroom. Get up. Explain Kalinga what to me. Don't mumble. Say loudly. As loud as you're all this giggling.
So, as I was saying, this part is really very important. You. Yes, you. What are you talking about? Seems to be very interesting. Much more interesting than what I'm teaching. So why don't you explain it to the whole class? Come, dear. The stage is all yours. Come. Please come, dear.
In my 20 years of teaching experience, this is the worst batch to have come in my way. A bunch of hooligans, all of you.
Rohini, Ashim, Reshmi. Oh, you were absent yesterday. Where's your leave application? Do you forget to have breakfast? No? Did you forget to come to school to chat with your friends? No. How can you forget your leave application?
Open to page number 27 and read the description of the characters given over here. Stand up. What did I say right now? No. What did I say right now? You did not listen, now? You were not paying attention? Get up. Get up. Leave my classroom right now. Get out.
I really don't like smiling faces in my class. I really don't. So sorry, but I really don't. What's so funny, huh? What's so funny? What are you giggling about? Do one thing now. Tell it to the whole class. Let's see if everybody finds it funny or not.
The government expenditure can be classified as. What is so important that you cannot listen to what I am teaching? Do one thing. Take your friend and go stand near the dustbin. The class is over, but I'm still here. Behave yourselves.
Good morning, young ladies. Pull up your benches. Sit up. Sit straight.
Hey, Mera, khata baat kar. Test ne watch.
You all are flying too much, huh? Just wait till I chop off your wings.
Why did you all stop? Continue. You people are incorrigible.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. When words aren't enough and they fail, the best way to express is to sing. Up next is a song smash up.
नज़्म सा मेरे होठों पे ठहर जा, मैं ख्वाब ख्वाब सा तेरी आँखों में जागू रे, तू इश्क इश्क सा मेरे रूह में आके बस जा, जिस ओर तेरी शहनाई उस ओर मैं भागू रे,
मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है, दिल लगाने का तू ही तरीका है, एतबार भी तुझी से होता है, आओ ना होश में मैं कभी, बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी हाय। गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, चोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शादमानी हो गई हाय। गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, चोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शादमानी हो गई। हो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग वारा, तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा, हो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग वारा, मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दे मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। मैं वारी जावा साथों के होया कसूर रे, मैं वारी जावा दिल ना होया मजबूर रे, मैं वारी जावा। चलो जी आज साफ साफ कहता हूँ, इतनी सी बात है मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, यूं ही नहीं मैं तुम पे जा देता हूँ, इतनी सी बात है मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, मुझे तुमसे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया, love you till the end। तेरी करांगे नाल नाल बैके, अख नाल अख नू मिला के, दिल दियां गल्लां हाय करांगे रोज रोज बैके, सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के, दिल दियां गल्लां। आँखों की है ये ख्वाहिशें के चेहरे से तेरे ना हटे, नींदों में मेरे बसते ख्वाबों ने ली है करवटें, लेके जाने जाएगा मेरी कातिल हर तरह, बहाना हुआ तुझसे ही शुरू तुझ पे ही खत्म,
about waiting for the storm to pass. It is about learning to dance in the rain. Ability is what we are capable of doing. Motivation determines what we do, and attitude determines how well we do it. Including these three factors, up next is a dance performance.
मुझको क्या हुआ है, क्यों मैं खो गया हूँ। पागल था मैं पहले, या अब हो गया हूँ।
बैठी है निगाहें और बिखरे हैं बाल, तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल।
कोई मिल गया, मेरा दिल गया, क्या बताऊँ यारो, मैं तो हिल गया, कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया।
मुझको हुई न खबर, चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर। मुझको हुई न खबर, चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर। कब प्यार की पहली नजर है, ले गई दिल ले गई, ले गई दिल ले गई। मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई। मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई। बादल है मेरी जुल्फ़ी, बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई। बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई। कहती है मुझे तो हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई। हे के सना सना सना, जो भी हो सो हो, हमें प्यार का हुआ आसरा, फिर चाहे जो हो। हे के सना सना सना, जो भी हो सो हो, हमें प्यार का हुआ आसरा, फिर चाहे जो हो। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 तेरा करो दिन दिन के इंतजार, आजा पिया आए बहार। तेरा करो दिन दिन के इंतजार, आजा पिया आए बहार।
wonderful performance it was, isn't it? Now, as we have come to the end of our program, we would like to thank the real queens of our Carmen. Thank you, teachers, for all the things you have done for us. In this vast sea of life, you all are the guiding stars to our barks. It is for you all that we have learned how to solve our problems with a smile. Whatever we are because of your efforts. Now, we sign off with Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye.